Trifecta, they sent me their outdoor yard pest control spray to do a review on. Now, this is what you get right out of the box. It's set up so that you can use a traditional garden hose sprayer attachment to do it. I opted to utilize my actual garden sprayer, and you do about 8 ounces plus 24 ounces of water. Most of it is oils and soap. So it's a lot friendlier than most things you see out there. So I have no issues actually spraying it on the lawn. And this is going to help take care of a lot of those ticks, the spiders, mosquitoes, and it lays on super well. It's not nearly as destructive as a lot of the things that you have out there. Here I deal with a lot of sugar ants, and they love camping out in the bushes. Actually, when I grabbed this, it had sugar ants on there. So I have full confidence on utilizing the stuff from Trifecta to take care of my pest control. You put it out in the yard, you can wet it, you can let it dry, whatever, but I feel much better about my kids and pets being around it. So if you're looking for a good quality pest control solution for your yard, rather than using the pellets or the granules, then this stuff from Trifecta, it's a great way to go.